Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt crown stapler. Over 5,500 staples per charge. Fastens 3 8-inch crown staples, so 1/4 inch to 9/16 in length. Now the battery and charger is sold separately, but we already got that, so let's go ahead and unbox this, show you what you get, and then test it out. So it looks like they do supply you with a couple staples. And this is it. So it definitely looks really nice. Now I love Ryobi tools. I have over 15 Ryobi tools. So this would be to adjust the pressure and the power of the screws itself. So let's go ahead and see how you would take them out. So if you press this down, it slides out, and it looks like you probably... So it says, do not place staples here. So I wonder if you place them right in here. Alright, let's see. So it looks like just like that. But yeah, this is a really nice tool. Definitely will save your hand from hurting too bad. So this is our hand one to compare it. And I'm sure most of you guys are using one similar to this. Well, it's time to get rid of this. Those are old school. This is new school. Let's get started. So I do want to show you this drive force indicator. So it actually shows you minimum, maximum, based on how you turn this. There's a line that goes up and it shows you. And another feature, you see this black little pin sticking out? That's a safety feature, so you can't pull the trigger unless you're actually flat against, then you're able to pull the trigger. That way you don't accidentally hurt yourself. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've been stapling fake clouds for our ceiling project that we are working on, and so far the staple gun is a lifesaver. Now I had done most of this with a hand stapler, and let me tell you, that was a nightmare, while this has definitely been a lifesaver. It's working great overall. I absolutely love it. 100% absolutely love it. There's nothing about it, especially going from spending over 10 hours with a hand stapler to this. I don't know what do-it-yourself project you're working on, but trust me, you want this. Stop using the hand stapler, please. Don't be like me with the blisters all over in my hand and cramping up. This thing is a lifesaver. Wow. This deserves more than a 5-star rating. It deserves the highest rating you could possibly give a tool. Unbelievably amazing.